Want to create stunning AI-generated cartoons in seconds? With Diffutoon, it's easier than ever. Stick around to see how this cutting-edge tool can transform your ideas into unique cartoon art. Introduction. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create cartoons but didn't know where to start, I've got the perfect tool for you today, Diffutoon. This platform lets you generate high-quality cartoons using artificial intelligence without needing any artistic skills. Let's jump in and see how you can use Diffutoon to bring your creativity to life. What is Diffutoon? Diffutoon is an AI-powered cartoon generator that allows you to turn your text prompts into vibrant and unique cartoon-style images. Whether you're looking to create illustrations for a project, social media, or just for fun, Diffutoon makes it simple and fast to generate professional-grade cartoons. How to use Diffutoon. Using Diffutoon is super easy. Let me walk you through the steps. Go to the website. Head over to diffutoon.net. Create an account. You'll need to sign up for an account to access the full features. Enter your text prompt. Describe the cartoon you want to generate. Be as detailed as you like. For example, you could type, "A cat playing the guitar under the moonlight." Choose your style. Diffutoon offers different cartoon styles, so select the one that best matches your vision. Generate, hit the Generate button, and in just a few moments your cartoon will be ready. It's that simple. Within seconds, you'll have a high-quality cartoon ready to download and use. Features of Diffutoon. Let's go over some of the cool features that make Diffutoon stand out. Fast generation. You can create your cartoons within seconds. Customizable styles. Choose from various art styles to match your preferences. AI-powered precision. Diffutoon's AI engine ensures that your cartoons are sharp, vibrant, and professional-looking. User-friendly interface. It's designed for anyone to use, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Why use Diffutoon? So, why should you use Diffutoon? It's perfect for content creators. Spice up your social media, blogs, or YouTube channel with unique custom-made cartoons. Marketers. Create engaging visuals for ads and promotional content. Personal projects. Design personalized cartoon characters or scenes for yourself or others. With Diffutoon, the possibilities are endless, and the learning curve is practically non-existent. You don't need to be an artist. All you need is a creative idea, and Diffutoon does the rest. Pricing and availability. Diffutoon offers a variety of pricing options, from free basic accounts to premium features with more advanced tools. For most users, the free version is more than enough to get started. But if you're looking for additional features like higher resolution or more customization options, upgrading to a premium account might be worth it. Conclusion. So, if you've ever wanted to create unique cartoon-style images without spending hours drawing or learning complicated software, Diffutoon is the tool for you. It's fast, easy, and accessible for everyone. Call to action. Ready to try Diffutoon? Head over to diffutoon.net and start generating your own AI-powered cartoons today. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell for more AI tools and tips.